Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the ZINUS 9-inch metal smart box spring, a marvel of modern engineering designed for easy and quick assembly. This standard twin-size box spring measures 73.8 by 38 by 9 inches, making it a perfect fit for most twin bed frames, but remember to measure your bed frame to ensure compatibility. One of its standout features is the tool-free locking brackets that make setup a breeze, allowing you to assemble it in just minutes without any hassle. Crafted from ultra-durable steel, this box spring is engineered to support up to 350 pounds for twin and twin XL sizes, while larger sizes can handle up to 700 pounds, providing robust support for your mattress. The product is thoughtfully packaged, with all parts and instructions conveniently packed into one compact box that ships straight to your door. Plus, it comes with a worry-free 5-year limited warranty, giving you peace of mind with your purchase. Remember, this box spring requires a separate bed frame or platform bed for support, which is sold separately, so be sure to have one ready to complete your setup. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.